Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best lily lamp shades is probably one of the most elegant ways to refresh your home decor. These beautiful art glass lamps can instantly transform a room with their unique designs and inviting glow. But what happens when your shade gets damaged or simply doesn't match your current style? In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about choosing the perfect replacement shade. Number 5. Lily Flower Glass Lampshade, Tiffany Style Tulip Replacement. Before you order, make sure you measure your lampshade holder. This replacement has a fitter base of 1.57 inches outer edge and 1.06 inches inner, with a top diameter of 4 inches and a height of 5.9 inches. Ensuring the right fit is crucial for a seamless replacement. Each glass shade is handmade. This means there will be slight differences in color, size, and texture. This makes it unique to every order. The fluted design makes it easy to install. Screw the bulbs into the lamp base before attaching the shade. No screws are needed. Simply align and press gently for a secure hold. The colors are baked at high temperatures for long-lasting vibrancy. This helps it resist fading from light exposure over time. With a stunning flower shape, this lampshade is sure to turn heads. It's the perfect addition to your home decor, and it's guaranteed to earn you compliments from guests. What we like? This lampshade is meticulously crafted for a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless replacement. Each piece is unique due to its handcrafted nature, adding character to your space. If you are looking for a lampshade that combines precise dimensions with artistic flair and long-lasting color, you should consider this one. What people say. The shades are a perfect fit and look great. They were easy to install. The color is perfect and the quality is great. Number 4. Amber Green Pond Lily Lampshade. This beautiful lampshade features a stunning pond lily flower design. It's crafted from high-quality glass, ensuring a warm and inviting glow in any room. Need a replacement lampshade? This one is the perfect fit. It's designed to seamlessly replace your existing shade, instantly updating your lighting fixture. With its 4 by 6 inch size, it's ideal for various lamps. It's a versatile accessory that complements a range of lamp styles, adding a touch of elegance. Installing this lampshade is simple and straightforward. You can quickly and easily enhance your lighting setup without any hassle. This lampshade is a great addition to your lighting accessories. It's a stylish and functional piece that elevates the look and feel of your space. What we like? The amber green pond lily design brings a touch of nature and elegance to your lighting. The installation is straightforward, making it easy to update your decor. If you want to infuse your home with a serene, nature-inspired aesthetic and appreciate ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit perfect into lamp base with a little adjustment of base tines. Matched perfectly. It fits perfectly and is exactly like the originals. Number 3. Tulip Glass Lamp Shades Replacement. This lampshade has a 1.5 inch fitter end. It's 4.5 inches wide at the top and 6 inches high. This size is designed to fit a variety of lamps. The opening edge is 1 to 1.2 inches outer and 1 to 1.8 inches inner. It easily fits into the lamp socket. Make sure to measure your current shade for an accurate fit. This shade fits vintage night lights perfectly. It's not threaded and doesn't twist in. It requires a fitter that applies pressure to secure it. Install the bulbs before attaching the lampshade. The opening is narrow, making it difficult to screw in bulbs afterward. The glass pieces easily attach to the socket. Each product is handcrafted, leading to variations in color, size, and design. Expect slight differences if you buy two. The shades are safely packed in a polyfoam box for shipping. What we like? This product comes in a pack of 3, offering great value for multiple lamps or replacements. The hand-blown design ensures each shade has its own unique charm. If you have multiple lamps to update or simply love the character of handcrafted items, you should consider this. What people say. The shades are a perfect replacement for my old lamp shades. They fit perfectly and look great. The color is exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. Meyda Lighting 10206 Pink Pond Lily Shade. This beautiful shade is designed by Meyda Lighting. It's a stunning piece that will add a touch of elegance to any room. The shade features a unique pond lily design. The pink color and intricate details make it a true work of art. With a width of 4.5 inches and a height of 6 inches, it's the perfect size for various lamps and fixtures. It will fit perfectly in your space. Meyda Lighting is known for its handcrafted quality. This shade is made with care and attention to detail, ensuring its durability. This shade is a great way to enhance your home decor. It's a stylish and functional piece that will brighten up any room. It's a great choice. What we like? The pink pond lily design offers a unique and eye-catching aesthetic. The installation is designed to be simple and hassle-free. If you are looking to add a pop of color and a touch of elegance to your space with ease, you should consider this. What people say. The color was as close as you could get to the other two shades. Lamp is 20 years old, and the shape and size was spot on. I ordered two and they look great on the lamp. The opening at the base of the shade is 112 and fits perfectly. Number 1. Tulip Glass Lamp Shades Replacement. This lamp shade has a 1.5-inch fitter end. It's 4.5 inches wide at the top and stands 6 inches high. This design ensures it fits a variety of lamps. The opening edge is 1 to 1.2 inches outer and 1 to 1.8 inches inner. It easily fits into the lamp socket. For the best fit, measure your current shade. This shade fits vintage nightlights. It's not threaded and doesn't twist in. It needs a fitter that applies pressure. Install the bulbs before attaching the lampshade. The opening is narrow, making it difficult to screw in bulbs afterward. The glass pieces easily fit into the socket. Each product is handcrafted, leading to variations in color and design. Expect slight differences if buying two. The shades are packed in a safe polyfoam box for shipping. What we like? This product comes in a pack of 2, offering great value for multiple lamps or replacements. The hand-blown design ensures each shade has its own unique charm. If you have multiple lamps to update or simply love the character of handcrafted items, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent quality. Perfect match. I am going to need one more for my lamp. Perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.